Greetings. This is the humanitarian television HV2, which is also the humanitarian radio. Yeah. This is our part of the news concerning the date of 20 May 2024. The African Sky Bank for Industrial Economic Investment Development, which is the ASBIEID Bank, the project initiated by the Global Monetary Research Mission, NGO, the company limited by guarantee in the Republic of Zambia, is the Excellence Professor Dr. Ambassador Stephen Mukoka, who is the President Governor General of the African Sky Bank, had the meeting with the different governors and the body of directors, of which the president directed the meeting and called upon all the members, governors, and the directors to work together to build something sustainable. There was the interaction in many levels of with the president, which we are calling the president concerns. Also, the president genuineness was also expressed out to all the members. There comes the direction or the president, governor general, directed the Department of Finance director, Mrs. Isabel Mugomba Tapiwa, to lead the Department of Finance because of the lack of the participation of the Director of Finance, who is Mrs. Animulenga. For the time to time, she never responded to the meeting. There comes a very vital condition of which the Assistant Director of the Finance, Mrs. Isabel Mugomba Tapiwa, was directed to lead it or to head the Department of Finance. And the president gave a much clarification on the money which was signed or the investment with the African Sky Bank received the backup letter from the United Kingdom of Antillatis, UK. That it was also one of the part of this news, sustainability of which the president was himself ahead of everything and being man up into this program. He also made publicly the appointment of the Republic of Zambia country commissioner for the African Sky Bank, who is going to head the main branch of the African Sky Bank, Mr. or Easy Owner Victor Mubanga, a man who has a backup of knowledge and in many ways, and was given the hand by His Excellence Ambassador, by the Governor General of the African Sky Bank, Professor Dr. Stephen Mukwakabe, and also to head the department of the main branch and to be the man up in all kinds of activities. The president also came in and informed about how the bank will be functioning to all the letters and the governors, of which he explained many other things, so that all governors get ready to see and to welcome this vision of the bank, which is Africa Sky Bank. On the other side, the president, His Excellence Ambassador, President Governor General, Professor Dr. Stephen Mokoka Kabe Yankoloso, also brought up a document as a proof of the fund which was signed to African Sky Bank for all the projects in Africa. Later were handed over and the result were waited for, or the payment gateway from the Kingdom of United Kingdom of Antillatis was working upon federally, so that the money can be withdrawn using the ATC e-wallet. Furthermore, the governor or the president governor general assured the members that award for hardworking staffs will be awarded accordingly. And the other side, the president emphasized in the need of everybody putting the hand into the plate, so that this vision it is seen openly as a status and the extraordinary vision. He also mentioned about the launching of this bank in the Republic of Zambia, talking about the Euro Stadium to be hired for the public launch, and the Bulungushi International Conference Hall to be also hired there for the diplomatic launch. That was how the president clarified in many other levels, and the meeting ended up with the satisfaction from all members of the governors and the body of directors. The president directed also that many other things to be put together, so that in the following weeks and every Saturday, all departments were supposed to have a meeting with him and a certain system so that all departments get ready in the process of this bank launch, bank creation in Zambia. We are here as a humanitarian television, humanitarian radio. This was a part of our news. We are going to get the voice of His Excellence Ambassador, President Governor General of the African Sky Bank another time, so that express his need on how he want the things to or things are to be dealt into this bank. Thank you.